When don't ask, it just arrives. Brush past skin like it's alive. I've been low where the shadows sit. Now I'm done making peace with it. No big talk, I just let things be. Cut loose what was weighing me. Every step got lighter somehow, like the sky been calling me out. No push, no fight, just timing and height. Soar high like an eagle, don't force it, just feel it. When the air catch your wings, you don't question a thing. Lift slow, then you glide, no fear in the rise. Let it carry your soul. Where you already know. Used to grip every little control. Now I move how the moment unfolds. If it's heavy, I let it fall. If it's mine, it won't stop. Seen people stuck in the same old spin, running fast, but they're boxed within. I stepped out, let the silence lead. That's where I found what I need. No chains, no sound, just sky all around. Soar high like an eagle, don't force it, just feel it. When the air catch your wings, you don't question a thing. Lift slow, then you glide, no fear in the rise. Let it carry your soul. Where you already know. Hey, yeah. You don't climb forever. At some point, you just float. And everything you chase stops running.